Hello, people. This is a review of the film of the Hindi Amir Khan starrer Secret Superstar, and this film is amazing simply since it's got. I mean, the story is about this little girl who wants to be a superstar, like a singing sensation, and I mean, this is one of the only times I've seen in an Amir Khan film another character literally overshadows Amir Khan. I mean, Amir Khan is literally, his is like a guest appearance in his own film. I mean, he's got a very small role compared to the main protagonist, that is Zarina Wahab. No, Zarina Sheikh, I think. Yeah, the main protagonist, and she's like stellar performance. Yeah, I mean, we had last seen her in the movie Dangal, but this movie is like it's in a league of its own, and no wonder China is apparently it's reached almost like 100 crore or 200 crore mark in China. This film is garnered. So, Secret Superstar, people, if you all are planning what to do over the weekend to watch on, you could watch it on, you should get a DVD of the film. So, this is the movie you should watch, and it's like a 7-star rating for it. So, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.